Check out this 2015 Chevrolet Sonic LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front-wheel drive, power steering, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, rear spoiler, MP3 player, Bluetooth connection, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio and bucket seats. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.